What if Excel could understand plain English questions and instantly explain what your data means? With WSI's natural language questions plus explanations template, users just type questions, no filters or formulas required. Ask what changed this month, or why is margin down, and get clear, business-friendly explanations. AI interprets what the user means. Excel handles the data, safely and transparently. Answers include what changed, why it happened, and even suggested next steps. This isn't a gimmick, it's a real production-friendly approach combining Excel logic with AI interpretation. While your data stays on your computer and is not sent to the AI, use it for finance, operations, sales, HR, or compliance, anywhere you rely on Excel. WSI can tailor this approach to your business rules, data models, and reporting cadence. Get started with the downloadable template or ask WSI to integrate this directly into your Excel files. Excel just became conversational. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com to bring natural language Q&A to your organization.